Don't forget, if you're a Zoom member, you do get a 15% discount in our retail shop and 10% off any experiences.
Vallahi lan. Aynı maymun gibi ötüyor.
Hadi Aydın.
Ja, sen alıp sen yap, tamam.
Bird. But they can move rather fast, even though they can't fly. They can move anywhere up to about 70 kilometers an hour. So it's pretty fast. They've also got very big eyes, which gives them very good peripheral.
Korkma korkma korkma. Direkt parmağını basın. Kanka yanlış anlattın. Evet. Oğlum bizim...
Wait into the savannah.
圈动起来，然后你一直收上。哎，是不是不要吃？没事，这个还是。
Jabberlani's having a bit of a snooze there. Like I said, you can see their ears moving back and forth because they know that we're here. Now, baby Jabberlani already weighs up to about 320 kilos. And he drinks approximately about 20 litres of milk a day. He's only a few months old, probably about 4 or 5 months. We believe that he might be our biggest rival. Jabberlani's having a bit of a snooze there. Like I said, you can see their ears moving back and forth because they know that we're here. Now, baby Jabberlani already weighs up to about 320 kilos. And he drinks approximately about 20 litres of milk a day. He's only a few months old, probably about 4 or 5 months. We believe that he might be our biggest rival. Our zebras are similar to our regular horses as well, but obviously they've got stripes. Now, no two stripes are the same with our zebras, so they're both unique individuals. Some of the zebras also have a lightish breed. And our zebra also grazers, so they love to eat all that yummy grass that they've got access to. Does anybody know what they call a group of zebra? They call them a Alrighty, everybody. We're going to continue our journey back around to the other side. Now, giraffe also communicate at a very low frequency. So if you ever see them twisting their necks, they also have blue and purple tongues, which acts like permanent sunscreen for them. They can stretch their tongues anywhere up to about 50 centimeters from their mouth. You can see he's chewing on something very yummy there. You can see his mouth moving from side to side. Right, we're going to make our way past Benzie, baby Jabberlani here on the left side of the safari bus. Now, do you also ever wonder what those things are called on top of a giraffe's head? They are called ossicones. Yeah, rhinos have very poor vision, but they can see